It's vital but invisible, the Earth's magnetic field which protects us from solar winds. Without it, the solar winds would strip away the atmosphere and Earth would become uninhabitable. Though invisible, the magnetic field can be seen on rare occasions when the solar particles collide with gas molecules, resulting in what's known as auroras or northern lights.
Earth's magnetic field is generated deep within the core of the planet. This is a restless place with vigorous motions of liquid metal. And these motions generate electrical currents, and these currents give Earth's magnetic field.
Although creating a bubble in which life can exist, research has shown that the magnetic field is weakening fast and is expecting to go through unprecedented changes. To better understand this vital force of nature, the European Space Agency will soon be launching a new mission which can give scientists a better look at the Earth's magnetic field, SWARM.
The SWARM mission is aiming at the best ever survey of magnetic field sources that we know of. And basically it is aiming to measure the effect from the core field, which is the main contributor to the measurements itself. Then also of the crust of the Earth, but also the mantle generates some signals. Outside the Earth we have the ionosfera and the magnetosfera, they both contribute to the measurements. And even a little bit, a small contribution we get from the ocean currents.
Made up of a constellation of 3 identical satellites, the aim of the mission is to gather data both on the field's composition and its evolution in space and time.
Why do we have 2 eyes? We, mankind, and animals have 2 eyes because they want to see 3 dimensions. And that is what you can do with 2 satellites in the pair, which is part of the SWARM project. But if you also want to see the 4th dimension, which is time, then you need 3 satellites.
2 of the SWARM satellites will orbit close together at the same altitude, while the 3rd one will fly higher and in an orbit with a slightly different angle. The spherical magnetometers on board will provide new data on the interaction of Earth's magnetic field with solar winds and their effects on the Earth system. Now that the 3 satellites have been assembled and calibrated, they're ready to be sent into space and provide a new and important addition to ESA's fleet of Earth explorers.
All the Earth Explorer satellites are all bringing something special, a new measurement technique, a new concept for observing our environment.
And a better understanding of the magnetosphere is an essential part of global understanding. The SWARM mission will shed some light on why magnetic north wanders, and moreover, why the magnetic field is weakening.
Earth explorers are really addressing challenges on one hand of related to climate change, but we cannot, let's say, argue that they are really looking at climate change because they are short period, but at aspects of it that might be of future relevance, plus of general global change. So like the Earth's magnetic field is not the magnetic field is not an essential climate variable, but has had and still has a relationship to it. So in that sense we can say we look at global change variables over a huge range of science applications.
And so SWARM will soon join the other Earth explorers in orbit and start its 4-year mission. These satellites not only can help scientists to better understand this great and wonderful planet we live on, but also help us assess the impact of human activity on global changes.